In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal in HubSpot. Deleting a deal is straightforward, but because it changes your sales data, we'll move carefully and double-check each choice. You'll need to be signed in to an account that has permission to delete deals. First, open your browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot and press Enter. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Keep your login details secure and avoid using shared devices whenever possible. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. Hover your mouse to expand the navigation and find the CRM section. This is where HubSpot organizes core objects like contacts, companies, and deals. Next, choose Deals. The Deals workspace may open in either a board-style pipeline view or a list view. If you don't see checkboxes next to your records, switch to the list view using the View toggle near the top of the page. That will make it easier to select specific records. Locate the deal you want to remove. Take a moment to verify you've got the right one by checking details like the deal name, amount, pipeline, or stage. When you're sure, click the checkbox next to that deal. If you intend to delete more than one, you can select multiple checkboxes before proceeding. After selecting your record or records, look for the Delete option. It usually appears in the action bar at the top of the table or inside a More dropdown. Click Delete. HubSpot will show a confirmation window to prevent accidental removals. In that confirmation window, you'll be asked to type the number of records you're deleting. This is a safety step. Carefully type the exact number shown on screen to confirm your intent. Finally, click Delete again to complete the process. The selected deal will be removed from your deals view. This does not delete associated contacts or companies. It only removes the deal record itself and its direct associations. Keep in mind that recovering deleted records may be limited by your account's retention settings, so only delete when you're certain. And that's it. You searched for HubSpot, signed in, opened CRM, went to Deals, selected the correct record, clicked Delete, confirmed by entering the number of records, and finalized the deletion. If you need to clean up additional records, repeat these same steps carefully to keep your pipeline accurate and up to date.